What's going on, everybody? What's going on? What's going on? I appreciate every single one of you going for live for a second time today on this Sunday. It's crazy what's happening in the crypto markets, man. I haven't been this excited about the crypto market in a long time. So it feels real good to be going live, talking about crypto, letting people know what's going on. So I freaking love it. Let me know if you guys hear any audio issues with my mic. Lately, I've been noticing that I've had to keep it really close to my face. If not, my voice cuts in and out. So let's jump right into it, right? Bitcoin, once again, is here holding up pretty strong, guys. Holding up pretty strong here. We jump out to this daily. Look at this thing, man. Look at this thing running, right? But it's hitting this this local 4-hour little high right here, right? We tapped it earlier today. We came back down, and now we're trying to make another run for it again. Local high of 63,000 has been holding up as resistance here. So I can actually tap my screen on over, make this a little bit bigger for you guys. Guys, as you guys come in here, tap that screen, get those likes rocking and rolling. I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So let's dive right into it. As you can see here, this local area high is 63,066. It's holding up as resistance. As we dropped down here this morning, when we were talking earlier this morning, we dropped back down here. I did take a long on Bitcoin. As you guys can see right here, I'm on an open long right now. I'm up $321 on this long, up 33%. Let's freaking go. My target price to exit is 64,000, which is about this value area high. Actually, a little bit lower than this value area high. It's actually right around here, right? So it's front running this local area high. Just because it's enough profit for me, I'll take profits on the way there. And I would love it. It will definitely make a different structure change. We would break above this local high. We just started breaking above these wicks. So that's what I'm looking for. And I'm in it to win it. So I'm up $318 right now, as you guys can see. So smash those likes. Let's freaking go. Every time you guys smash the likes, Bitcoin pumps. Let me know. Let me tell you, Bitcoin pumps every time you smash those likes. Let's take a look at COQ INU. COQ INU, cock-a-doodle-doo, up at 195 mil market cap right now. This thing is still rocking and rolling, right? We have finally broken this value area high, right? We came down earlier today. We wicked down here. I was able to, move on. We wicked down below the value area high here, as you can see earlier today. And now we've come right back up. I was able to scoop up a little bit more down here before we moved on up. Alex All Crypto in the house. What's going on, man? What's good, dude? I hope to see you. Yeah, everything is well, man. I hope to see you. I need to get in touch with you, man. I need to get in touch with you so that we can. I can go on your show, or you can come on mine, or whatever, and we can collab, dude. I love your TA. I love your show. God bless you into your building your family, man. So I'm really happy for you, dude. So yeah, just let me know. We gotta get in touch. But yeah, overall, cock-a-doodle-doo, COQ INU, looking really bullish, right? I'm hoping this thing continues to moving up here. We finally broke above this value area high for this massive range that COQ INU is doing. It's doing a little bit of a U-shape here, a massive little U-shape kind of situation. So looking good. Another one that's been running that I haven't scooped up a bag of yet, but I want to, is good old Mr. T right here. This thing has been blasting off, sitting at 440 mil market cap. This thing has just been wild, dude. I saw this dip here and I was like, oh, I'll get into it. I forgot. Like a day went by and this thing just took off. I'm seeing, what's this, RFK? Did this thing just launch? RFK. Oh my gosh. RFK Jr. up 196,000% in the last 24 hours. It got released today? Yeah, it got released today. Oh, nice. So this is some fresh high risk alpha right here, sitting at 15 mil market cap already. This thing has been rocking and rolling. RFK Jr. is a meme now. It's a meme on Uniswap on Ethereum, so you can get it on Uniswap. Who knows? Maybe it is going to compete against the Trump meme coin. Who knows? Guys, smash those likes. Hit that like. Let's see. Let's check out AI Tech. AI Tech is another one. This is not a meme coin. This thing, it's down 33%. Interesting here. So AI Tech. Geez, if I could only speak today. AI Tech is down 33% right now. 7.2 mil market cap. This is a trading platform. This is not a meme coin. This is a trading platform for meme coins. Check out Brett on Base Chain. Let's check out Brett. I know a lot of people have been talking about this. Brett on Base right here should be. This should be it. Yeah, this should be it right here. So Brett right now, 41 mil market cap, down 14% today. It's having a little bit of a dip here, a little bit of consolidation. It's been out for a couple of days now, doing pretty well. It's the first meme coin on the Base chain network. Base is basically the Coinbase's network that they're working on, right? Very, very bullish and extremely, I think it's going to do well. I didn't get a bag of this. I don't have Brett. I also don't have Trump or IFK Jr. I'm just bringing it up and letting you guys know. Clay the Great, what's going on, man? What is going on? Good to see you, Clay the Great. In the house always has that alpha for AVAX, anything with AVAX. Let me catch up with some of the chat here. AI DAO, AXGT, not a meme. Yeah, AXGT is not a meme, man. The only meme that is doing is how much money it prints. This thing is a money printing machine, right? I've been following this thing since it launched. I told you guys about it down here. Had a massive run up to 60 to 70 mil market cap, consolidated for 12 straight days, and then it just had another massive blast off. They have big announcements coming out. They're doing a huge thing. They're up at 392 mil market cap right now. They are consolidating once again up here. Looks like exactly what it did here, right? It ran up and it's starting to consolidate, which is very good. Hopefully it continues to consolidate in this high 300 mil market cap range, builds some support, whether we spend a week or two up here, which is great. I would bring it on every single day, and then boom, blast off again, bro. This thing is gonna, at this rate, this thing is probably gonna hit $1 billion market cap plus. This is the second largest DeSci project in crypto. This is not a meme coin, guys. This is freaking the sauce. Like someone saying, trying to pull you on the sauce. Yeah, AXGT, exactly. You guys see my videos. You guys have seen me talking about it for a while. Let's see what else. Guys, I appreciate you guys smashing the likes. Thomas, thank you for smashing the likes. Thank you. Really appreciate it, guys. Hit that subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. BTC gonna drop. Let's take a look at BTC once again. Look, man, Bitcoin is looking pretty strong, dude. It's, not the 2-day. Let me jump out to the daily. Looking very, very strong. This is Bitcoin's daily chart. We've been holding above this 61,170 point of control for this range that we're in, right? And we're being held down by this 4-hour resistance, this little local top right here of 63,000 and some change, right? That's been the local top. Obviously, the value area high, which is this white line up here, is the ultimate value area high for the range, right? So it's the ultimate top for the range, which sits at 64,297. If we break above that, then that's going to be really bullish, right? For more continuation, headed towards that ultimate all-time high for Bitcoin. If we do that, currently, like I said, I am in a long for Bitcoin. As you can see here, I took a long earlier this morning after my first live. I saw that the price came down. We wicked below somewhere around here. I jumped in. My entry point was at 62.16. So somewhere right around here, give or take, I jumped in, and I've been riding this long. So meanwhile, we need to break the 63,000 some change resistance, break above that so we can see some continuation to the upside. But in the general terms of things, right? What's really pushing the price, and tomorrow's Monday, so expect a lot of volatility for Bitcoin, whether we wick to the upside, wick back down, back and forth, right? We can see a lot of whiplashing happening in the market. It all comes down to the ETFs, accumulation. If the grayscale starts to ramp up their selling, then we're going to see either sideways consolidation or a drop if their selling is a lot more than what the other ETFs are buying. So that being said, if the grayscale diminishes their selling or don't have any selling at all, which they haven't, they've been selling like every single day. But if they stop selling or just reduce their selling as they have been, we will see. That's what's caused this whole entire run up, right? This whole entire run up has been caused by grayscale dropping their sales and the other ETFs accumulating. Another thing I want to point out, right? We are consolidating up here in this range, a very tight range. We did the same thing back here before the blast off. So it's something that's looking very similar. It's looking like we're building a very bullish, what you call this, a bullish pennant, a bullish flag. I forget which one it is. I'm not super up to date with all the pattern stuff, but we're building something very similar back here where we consolidated very tightly and then we blast it off. So that's what I'm thinking, that we continue going up. If we go down, bring it on, right? 56,000 is the area that I'm looking for, which is the value area low, 56,300 and some change. That's the area low that I'm looking for. We have a retest to that. Let's bring it. That is a drop of about, from where we're at right now, that is a 9.6%, basically 10% drop. That's literally nothing. That's a drop. That's a dime in the bucket for Bitcoin. Bitcoin eats 10% drops like nothing. So that's not even a crypto worry about. Okay, this is crypto. 10% drops or nothing. Amigo says, Earn TV is the tiny microcap gem on Polygon. Will make seriously millionaires with this market cap. Earn TV. I'll take a look at that here in a second. Let's see. Earn TV is what it's called on Polygon. I don't see it. It's not coming up here. That's strange. Let's see. What else did I want to cover with you guys? Let's take a look at some of the other projects. Let's take a look at Clore. If anybody is a fan of Render, I am a huge fan of Clore AI. Right? If you haven't taken a look at this, let me bring it over here. Clore AI sitting at 21 cents, right down 2.5% today, give or take. Overall, in the 7 days, it's also been consolidating a little bit sideways, coming back down from 27 cents, up 67% in the month, down 15% in the last 7 days. Clore AI is literally the competitor. If you haven't seen Clore AI, it's the exact competitor to Render. So if you're bullish on Render, right, but you want something with a way lower market cap is only 53 mil, right? Only 53 mil versus Render's market cap is a lot higher. Distributed supercomputer that fits your needs. It's exactly the same thing, right? AI training, mining, movie render. It's doing the exact same thing as Render, just a lower market cap. I think it's a good competition, a good competitor for Render, lower market cap. So that's something I'm taking a look at as well. Another one that I've talked about before, and people have made fun of me for this one, is Jewel Token. If you guys know what Jewel Token is, DeFi Kingdoms, Jewel, right? It's a DeFi project on Avalanche. It's on Avalanche now. It used to be on Harmony back in 2021, I mean. This thing is so underrated. So underrated. DeFi Kingdoms is basically DeFi and gaming at the same time. That's exactly what it is. It's DeFi and gaming at the same time. It's been slowly climbing up. It's up 42% in the last 7 days. I've been bagging up my bags in the lower 20s, 19 range for DeFi. Jewel Token is the ticker. This thing is a DeFi play. It's 36 mil market cap, really low market cap. 90% of the circulating supply is out. The team behind DeFi Kingdoms is huge. They're super good. What was that? They're super good. They've been around. They existed. They survived the bear market of 2023, right? Even though most DeFi projects died out, DeFi Kingdoms did not. DeFi Kingdoms kept the building. They have a huge community. I've met the founder, one of the founders, Dreamer. I've talked to them multiple times. I've seen what they're doing in the background. Super bullish on Jewel Token, aka DeFi Kingdoms. DGI Game, yeah, somebody just brought that up. Talked about it this morning. DGI Game, obviously very bullish. Is up 83% today. In the last 7 days, it's up. In the last month, it's up 675%. Right. I wouldn't be jumping into this right now because I would be waiting for a pullback, and that's exactly what it's doing right now. Look at this daily. Right. If you look at this daily chart right now, that's exactly what it's doing. It's having a little pullback here. It's sitting at 49 mil market cap, right? Obviously a low market cap, but it's just too much of a movement. 675% in 1 month. You need to wait for a pullback. You can't just jump in and FOMO into these projects just because they're doing very well right now. Puddles, what's going on, Puddles? Great to see you, man, and OG in the house. Guys, if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, right? If you hit that subscribe button, you will be alerted that you have joined the Crusader Army. So make sure you join the Crusader Army. We are crusading through these blockchains, trying to make life-changing money over here. Let me see. Let me catch up with this chat here for a second. Cello, yes. Cello's another one a lot of people have been talking about. Cello, right? It's down 4.5%, 4.6% today, sitting at $1.15, and up 23% in the last 7 days. Up 71% the last month. This is a mid-tier crypto with 611 mil market cap, right? 53% circulating supply, which is not terrible. It's not a deal breaker. You go over to their website. Coño, come on. Kelly from the Polkadot. Yeah, I'll definitely jump into Polkadot here. So, you know, build together, prosper together. They're doing a lot for Ethereum scaling. Overall, very decent project. Obviously, it's a layer 2 protocol. You know, layer 2s are layer 2s, right? They're gonna do well. They're gonna always do their thing. So if you're looking for a layer 2 mid-tier project, right? Why not? Something you guys need to do some more research on. I currently don't hold a bag of Celo. It's just not one of the things that I'm holding, but I know a lot of people have been talking about it. Let's take a look at Polkadot. Polkadot, I know Polkadot is going to have their project coming out, their Polkadot 2.0 coming out here pretty soon. Polkadot is number 12 in the total market cap cryptos, right? Up 5% today. Polkadot is one that hasn't really popped too much, only up 25% the last 7 days, 43% the last month. But overall, it's been all the other cryptos have been popping off a lot more, and this project's been kind of sitting out, right? It's a $12.7 billion market cap, so it is a top tier project, right? It's considered a blue chip. It's been around for quite a bit now. And Polkadot, if we jump over to the chart, we can jump over to the chart here and look at some Polkadot, some .ta. Yeah, let's see. Okay, yeah, here it goes. Here's my chart. Let me see. Let me update this. I don't remember the last time I even looked at this thing. Whoa, what's going on here? Oh, my magnet was on. That's why. Yeah, nice little uptrend that we were in. What is this range from? This is the January range. So let me get rid of this uptrend. Let me get the range for February. February 29th. Boom. So we're sitting above the value area high for February. We're above the value area high for December as well. We wicked down to it today, as you guys can see here. As you guys can see here, we wicked all the way down, bounced off of it. Very bullish buying pressure happening here. We are getting overbought, right? Overbought territory here on Chart Prime. Momentum wave still going. Money flow still pumping. VWAP kind of steadily holding out there. So let's see, where is Polkadot? Last time Polkadot's price was up here. Let's get some previous levels. We got a local high right here on the daily. All right, there's gonna be some levels of resistance that we're gonna be running into here. But let's see, in general, let's get this May range. See what this May range looks like from 2022. Give me a second here. Perfect. That's exactly what I needed. Nice little range. Point of control. Boom. All right. Let's take a look at this. This is the first time we re-enter this range in a long time. We tried doing it back in December, and we got rejected, fell back out, and now we've reclaimed this level. We're headed towards the point of control for this May range, which is $10. Basically, it's $10 flat. And then right above that, we have a local high of resistance of $10.46. So if we reclaim this $10 and hold this as support, sorry, let me move the screen over, hold this as support, then we can, try to get above this $10.43. The value area high for this range is $11.45. Can we get rejected here? Absolutely. And then come back down and retest this value area low of $8.96. Very, very possible depending on what the market is doing. And it's all highly dependent on Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin pumps, then, obviously the other projects are going to be pumping. But if Bitcoin starts coming down, then, ooh, baby, Bitcoin is popping. Oh, my trade is up $407. Let's freaking go. Let's go back to Bitcoin here real quick. Let's see what is happening with Bitcoin. Because it looks like it's pop-a-locking. All right, so right here, as you guys can see, let's jump down to the 4 hour. Let's zoom in here. We are right now retesting this local high right now. We're retesting this line. Are we going to break above this thing at 63,000 and some change? Are we going to break it, or are we going to get rejected? Let's freaking go. My trade is up $412. Let's freaking go. Smash those likes. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. really bassy sound on YouTube. Yeah, man, my switchboard has been so wonky lately. I honestly don't know what is going on with it. I've been trying to fix it for quite a while. Let me know if that's a little bit better, Puddles. I've had to keep the mic like super close to my mouth. I don't understand why. It used to not have that problem, and then now it does. I have no idea. I have no idea. Let me catch up here. Chainlink, ICP. Yeah, Chainlink and ICP looking good. I mean, overall, those are blue chip projects, right? There's nothing to really worry there. Let's look at where's Link? Here's Link. Let me know if my sound is better over on YouTube. Let me know, Puddles. I adjusted my volume. Let me know if it's too low, too high. I'm just not 100% sure. So Chainlink. Let's see. This is a range. Oh, jump onto the daily. This thing as well been breaking above the value area high of February. Came back down today, retested it, and wicked through it and came right back up. Kind of a little bit of a swing failure here, but there is a lot of buying pressure as well from here. So kind of odd. It could overtake this, could turn this back around. We still have an hour and 45 minutes before closing out this candle. We could keep moving back up. We are in this range. The next target is $22.94 for Chainlink. If not, we're going to be heading lower, obviously, to this value area low, which is 1959, which we did today. And if we break below that, then we're re-entering this February range. But in general, you know, the altcoins right now are all going to do TA-wise basically what the Bitcoin is doing. If Bitcoin is pumping, then, ooh, man, Bitcoin is running right now, man. What is going on? Look at this thing. Look at this thing. This thing wants to run. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. Pump it, baby. Pump it. Come on. Pump it. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Up $430 on this trade. Let's freaking go. So let's see. What else are we looking at here? Anybody got any low cap cryptos you guys want to talk about? I'm always down to talk about some low cap cryptos. STX, right? Stacks. Stacks is one that, guys, if you aren't following me over here, go follow me over here. Blockchain Crusader as well. Released my Stacks price prediction 2 days ago. I have a Bitcoin price prediction. I have Fetch AI. I have Caspa. I have Render. I have IOV, LCX, Crow. I have a few of them. I have Pith Network as well. Different price predictions. I dropped different types of crypto. Guys, I haven't heard anybody talk about my audio on YouTube again. Does it sound good? Does it sound good? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. I don't know. Clay the Great says, good stuff. All right, awesome. Oh, no, we're dumping. Bitcoin's dumping. No, it's all over. It's all over. Jeez Louise, what a big dump. This is a 1 minute candle, guys. So don't freak out. It's just a 1 minute candle for Bitcoin. Getting rejected again, apparently, at that nice little value area high. A little local top situation. Let me jump back to the 4 hour, jump down to the 1 hour. Who knows? We'll probably break it. Things are looking pretty bullish. Who knows? We will see. Let's jump over, right? Everybody wants to talk about the meme coins. Floki, SHIB, Bonk. PEPE is up 300%. SHIB is up 36%. WIF is up 378%. Guys, the meme coins are pumping, right? But do you want to... Francine says, sounds good. All right, appreciate it, Francine. Make sure you hit that subscribe. I don't know if you're subscribed here or not. I would love to hear that. Bing! And you have that Crusader Army badge pop up for you. So, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe if you're not subscribed already. COQ is killing it. Let's jump on over to COQ INU here real quick. COQ INU, baby. Oh, no, not that. Not that COQ. This COQ. The COQ I do. Yeah, COQ INU, right? I've mentioned it earlier in the stream. This thing is running. This thing is pumping. It's up 197 mil market cap. Let's freaking go. Was able to scoop some more up on this wick to the inside the value area high, scooped up a little bit more. And I said, let's let this thing ride. Okay, somebody said, what project? What do you think about Arc Block? Oh yes, Arc Block. Let's take a look at that. We got Arc Block. We're gonna hit Aurora, and we're gonna hit. There was another one, Cartesi, We're going to hit all of those here in just a minute. So Arc Block is one that is very bullish, I believe. If I remember this correctly, I haven't scooped up a bag of this thing just yet. It's had a nice little pullback from 186 down to 173, down 15% in the last 7 days, up 174%. Oh, 300% in the last month. Jeez, wait, is it 100 or 300? Okay, 174%, sitting at $1.70 right now. This thing is 167 mil market cap. And what I forget, what is this thing doing again? This is the redefine software architecture and ecosystem. So this is definitely a deep pin play as well. Infrastructure building for Web3, right? You can see all these applications, components. Deepin, right? Deepin is a huge play in this next narrative in crypto. So this one is looking good, man. It's definitely looking good, but obviously it's up 100 in a month or 300. It keeps telling me 100 or 300. I don't know why it's doing that, but Arc Block is definitely looking good. Let's look at Aurora, and then we're going to look at Cartesi. Aurora. This one, I believe we covered this one earlier today. I don't remember. 136 mil market cap, sitting at 31 cents right now, up 4% on the day, 18% on the week, 40% on the month. Okay, so it hasn't had any massive explosion. 42% of circulating supply, so it's not a deal breaker, but it's not the best circulating supply. We got to keep an eye on when the token unlocks are and when there's going to be more inflation to this thing, because the more inflation on a token, the more your project is. There you go. Somebody just hit that subscribe. Who did it? Who hit that subscribe? Thank you, Francine, for hitting that subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Welcome to the Crusader Army. So Aurora Shooting for the Stars is the next generation Ethereum compatible blockchain ecosystem that runs on Near protocol and powers innovations behind Aurora Cloud, the fastest path to Web 2 businesses to capture the value of Web 3. So I don't have a bag of this either. People are really bullish on this thing because I hear a lot of people talking about this all the time. Also talking about Aurora Cloud, right? Possibly some infrastructure, some, I don't know. I don't know what the big thing is for this just yet because I haven't done any deep research on it. But it's a low cap crypto. Can it do well? Potentially. It's listed on Coinbase, so that's a big exchange. It's listed on MEXC, so it gives it a lot of exposure for sure. I know people are very bullish on Near, so this is part of Near's protocols ecosystem. So that's another way to find a lot of gems is if you're bullish on a certain layer 1 project, look into its ecosystem, right? People that are priced out of Bitcoin that have been scavenging through the Bitcoin ecosystem growing right now is blowing up. Greatly appreciate every single one of you guys right now smashing those likes, hitting that subscribe. The chat is blowing up on both ends here, so I'm gonna try to keep it under control as much as I can and catch up to it. Up next is Celeste. What is it called? Celeste? Hold on. Let me see here. What was it called? Oh, Cartesi. Sorry. Cartesi. I have not looked at this one. This is a mid-tier project as well. 327 mil market cap, 78% circulating supply, so that's good. 15%. It's up 15% in the last 7 days. 73% up in the last month. What is this thing about? Let's see. This is an app-specific roll-up protocol with a virtual machine that runs Linux. Cartesi Rollups offers modular scaling solutions deployable as L2, L3, or sovereign. Okay, so this is a modular project. That's another narrative right now is modular projects. To be more scalable than the layer 2s that we have right now. A full CPU for each dApp, full suite of open source libraries for your dApp, boundless design, app specific rollups. Yeah, so this is a modular play. This participates in the modular sector of crypto. So modular, if you don't have any modulars, definitely maybe something to keep an eye on to build on your portfolio if you don't have any modular projects in your portfolio. I currently don't really hold any modular projects. It's listed on Coinbase, Binance, listed on all the big exchanges. Maybe I'll take a deeper look at this, and maybe I'll scoop up a bag of Cartesi. But that's how you pick up gems, guys. Things that fill in a void, that fill in a narrative, right? A reason to exist, a utility, modular, AI, gaming, ecosystem tokens like DEXs, borrowing and lending, DeFi plays, DePIN, decentralized science. All of these are different sectors in crypto that if you look deep enough, you can find some really good projects. And that's reason enough. Paul D says ICP good. Yeah, ICP is a long-term hold. ICP is a very bullish project long-term. So I'm very bullish on ICP long term. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin is breaking above 63,100. Let's freaking go. My trade is pumping up. We're up $476 right now on my trade. Let's freaking go. Let's go. 494. We're gonna break five. We're gonna break 5K. I mean 500 bucks here. We're gonna break 500 bucks, not ducks. We got to hold above. We're breaking above this value area. This local high right here has been holding us down for quite some time. Bitcoin looks like it's powering up and winding up for the final blast off here, guys. I'm telling you, tomorrow's going to be a very exciting day. If you think today is exciting, tomorrow's going to be very, very exciting. Clay the Great says, bro, just wait until you hear my idea and solution to change the medical world. Let's freaking go, Clay the Great. Message me, bro. Miles Monsor says zero knowledge. Yeah, zero knowledge is another ecosystem that's very, very important. Yes, it's a very strong narrative. Kennedy from that 63.2 bit. Let's freaking go, man. This thing is rocking and rolling right now. We're up 516 bucks, baby. 516 bucks. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Should I jump out, guys? Drop in the chat right now. Do I take profits right now? Do I sell out of my position? Do I sell out of my position and pump out of this trade, or do I let it ride? Do I let it ride or I jump? Do I let it ride or I jump out? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Virtual TVK. Let me take a look at that. I've never heard of that one. TVK. Not coming up. Let me go to CoinGecko. Maybe they have it on CoinGecko. CoinGecko. TVK. Virtual. Let's see. This is a 44 mil market cap. This is a low crypto. Okay, low market cap crypto. I'm okay with that. Let's go. Let's rock and roll. Circulating supply 198 mil. Total supply is 1.2 billion. So definitely low circulating supply. But what is this thing about? Let's go on over to their website. This is welcome to gaming metaverse. Okay, it's a gaming metaverse crypto. Okay, nice. Appreciate that. That's a nice. I've never heard of this one. Razor's season, becoming a racer, gamers lounge. So yeah, metaverse, man. A lot of different metaverse coins coming out this time around. Very different from before. So you see, this fills a narrative. This fills somewhere. Now it's all about how they are going to compete and stand out against the other metaverse gaming coins that are out there. Right, low market cap, high risk. It is what it is. So I can't say it looks bad. I can't say it looks good. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. It fulfills one of the needs. So somebody says, no, wait on. So do not take profits here. I'm up 522 bucks. Let's jump back over here to the TA here real quick. Jump down to the 30 minutes. We're pumping right now. We're breaking above this local high that's been holding Bitcoin down as resistance. Let's freaking go, baby. Let's hit my price target, baby. Let's hit 64,000 live right now, baby. Come on. We're pumping, baby. We're pumping. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Now I'm pumped. Let it ride or take profits and add to your position at the next dip. Yeah, dude. That's what I've been doing. I've been trading, taking profits, and then I just buy more crypto, bro. I buy more crypto and I keep adding to my portfolio long term. Bok, Big Bird. Let's freaking go, Mega Lee. Let's freaking go. Let's go, man. This thing is, come on, Bitcoin. Come on, keep going, baby. Keep going. Don't get scared now. Don't get performance anxiety now, Bitcoin. Let's keep it running, baby. Let's keep it running here. Let's see. We're down at the 15-minute chart right now. See if this thing keeps rocking and rolling. It says 2021 GoPro says take 50%. That's not a terrible idea, actually. Taking 50% and then just letting the rest ride. That literally just lets I pull out 250 bucks. Pull out 250 bucks and then let the rest ride. That is actually not a terrible idea, but I'm kind of an all in or not kind of guy. So I'm all in on the trade or I'm not all in. It's one of those things, man. One of those things. You're the best. We in this together. Yeah, 100%, bro. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Let's freaking go, right? Cock-a-doodle-doo family over here. Cock in you. Whoa, 200 mil market cap, baby. Congratulations to all the cock-a-doodle-doo holders out there. Cock in you has once again hit 200 mil market cap. Let's freaking go. Jacob says, what do you feel? Man, I feel like letting it ride, right? I got my take profit in there, right? My take profit is 64,000. We hit 64,000. I am taking profits, and that is literally below the value area high. That's not even the value. This white line is the value area high, which is 64,300. My take profit is way before that. It's literally by $400 before that. So I'm definitely gonna probably let her ride a little bit longer here. See as we go into this later part of the day. See what happens. I have 7K in Celo. Any suggestions? Paul D, do you have any other holdings, or are you just holding 7K in Celo? I mean, I know Celo looks pretty bullish, and a lot of people have been talking about it, but I hope it's not your only thing in your portfolio. New highs is bullish. Heck yeah, Chris is bullish. DGI, we covered it earlier today in the live as well. DGI, it's up like 600% in the month. I'm not buying any DGI right now or anything like that because it's just doesn't make sense to be FOMOing in and chasing a massive pump like that. But doesn't mean that it's not good, right? Doesn't mean that it's not gonna continue performing or anything. SEI has gone quiet. Any insight? No, man, I really haven't heard anything from SEI either. Yeah, SEI has just kind of been not doing too much in marketing or just in general any big announcements. So I don't know. I don't know what SEI is up to. I mean, it's one of those things. It's had a huge run. It's had a huge pump. Oh no, we're printing a red candle on the 15-minute. Oh no, it's all over, guys. It's all over. My profits are melting. Melting. No, just kidding, guys. It's okay. It's okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. It can't just be all green. There has to be a little bit of red. But look, it's back to the green. Now it's back to the green. We're pumping again, baby. We're pumping again. Let's go. Let's freaking go. My cock rage is on. My Spartacus voice. Let's freaking go. Dude, cock-a-doodle-doo, man. Cock in you is going to be the next $1 billion meme coin. It just is, dude. It just is. It's got everything that it needs and much more. What would you think be a better investment? So I can't tell you what is a better investment. I'm not here to give you guys financial advice. Kimball's another one that I'm looking at that's really, really bullish. I told you guys about Kimball breaking out, at least in my private community. I told them, hey, Kimball breaking out, massive breakout coming in. It's gone up as close as to almost 20 mil market cap in this breakout. We're up at 18.5 right now. So the best way to build a strong portfolio in crypto, how high can Syncus go? I'll answer that real quick, and then I'll talk about the portfolio thing. So Syncus is up 19% today. Let's freaking go. Come on. Load for me. Come on. We're at 77 mil market cap, hitting new all-time highs once again. As you guys can see, I've been talking about Syncus for a while. I told you guys about this double bottom pattern, about how we're going to break this neckline. It's going to pump. It did exactly that. Then the other day I made a video. I was like, hey, we're inside this continuation pattern, this triangle. We break above this thing's going to pump. In the last 2 days, big old green candles from there. We're at 77.8 mil market cap. I mean, I was saying that this thing was going to hit 100 mil. I'm going to have to start revising that and put a little bit higher because this thing is going to keep rocking and rolling, right? Syncus is literally it's just money printing machine. It's a DeFi play on Ethereum. If you haven't checked it out, definitely go check it out. Type in code Crusader and you guys get a 15% rebate on your staking with 72% APY. But outside of that, how to build a strong portfolio, right? How to build a strong portfolio is very, very simple. You diversify, but you don't over diversify. So if you have $5,000, right, you can buy $500. You can buy 10 projects with $500 each in it, right? And make sure you're hitting different netters. Make sure you're picking up some metaverse. Make sure you're picking up some crypto gaming. Make sure you're picking up some layer 1s, some layer 2s, right? You're picking up some DEX tokens. You're picking up some AI. You're picking up some DeSci. You're picking up some what else am I missing here? A DPIN play, right? There's that right there is 8, right? You still have 2 more of something else, right? Those are all just 8 sectors that I just mentioned. You're picking up cryptos within those ecosystems, right? Maybe you don't have to hit every single sector either. You can consolidate in between 2 or 3, maybe 4 different sectors and just buy into those ecosystems if you know what you're doing, and just build your portfolio. I've been in the game since 2017 investing, right? Started off with a lot of layer ones, right? A lot of Bitcoin, a lot of Ethereum, stuff like that. Then I've slowly been, packing my bags with higher risk stuff. I started off with very low risk to begin with because low risk was high risk back then, right? Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Ethereum was $80. Ethereum wasn't the world's largest smart contract platform. Ethereum was just an ICO launching mechanism that everybody was launching on, but it didn't really mean jack squat. So how to join private community? Yeah, Miles, there's a link in the chat. There's a link in the description. Sorry, there's a link in the description. Go check it out. I can actually just post it here on the chat. Pretty sure. Just give me a second here. I'll pin it in the chat for you guys. Give me a second. There it is. There it is. You can click that, join, and be part of the Crusader gang. But like I was saying, I picked up a lot of low risk cryptos. Been building on my portfolio long term. Now I'm looking for a lot of higher risk cryptos, a lot of low cap stuff, because I've been buying Ethereum since $80. I've been buying Bitcoin since $3,000. I've been buying a lot of these projects for a long time, and my portfolio has been doing very well for a very long time, right? When we were in the bear market, in the depths of the bear market in 2023, 2022, I wasn't even in the red. I was still in the green. Even at $16,000 Bitcoin and the altcoins were melted, I was still in the green. I was still not in the red. So Bitcoin is pumping, dude. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, do something for me, baby. Do something. Come on, hit that 64,000. Let's go. Pump to that 64,000. Shiba consolidating at 23 line and wants to go up. Man, the meme coins are going to keep running for a little bit, right? Do you think that holding Bitcoin is a good move right now? It depends, Dirk. That depends on when you got in. Is it a good thing to buy Bitcoin right now? Right? That's always a good question, because it's a tricky question to answer. Is it good to hold Bitcoin? In my personal opinion, yes. Is buying Bitcoin right now going to make you life-changing money or make you rich or do anything crazy like that for you? No, right? If we hit 120K, you would double up from where we're at right now. Depend if you have large amounts of money, right? If you have 50K, 100K plus money to drop, and you want something low risk, and you're just looking to double up or triple up your money, sure, why not? Go for Bitcoin, right? But right now, if you're a new investor, you only got a few $1,000, right? Maybe $2,000, $3,000. Maybe you only got a few $100. Bitcoin is not going to do it for you, right? If you're looking for that life-changing money, if you're looking for just not even life-changing money, but if you're looking to make $500 into $10,000, you're not going to do it with Bitcoin. You have to go into the lower market cap cryptos. You don't have to go into the micro caps, right? But look at everybody that was buying AXGT, right? AXGT has 100x'd, right, from when it came out. AXGT, right, Axon DAO, this project right here that I talked to you guys about when it was sitting at 2-3 mil market cap, or down here when it launched. It's only been out for literally like 3 weeks. When it was down at 2-3 mil market cap, I said, hey, this thing's bullish. This thing's gonna pump. It had a double bottom pattern at the very couple of first candles that are printed in the first 15 minutes candle time frame. And I said, hey, double bottom, looking bullish, gonna keep going. It's part of the DeSci project, and this thing has 100x. It's just a money printing machine. I'm not gonna say I've taken profits on AXGT, right? I've taken profits on it twice, and I still have a fat bag left of it, and I'm gonna let that fat bag ride because I got in real early and I let people know about it because it was gonna be such a bullish project. There's gonna be other opportunities. How many 100xers are left? I don't know, right? But there's always gonna be more opportunities like that, and you just got to be aware that those opportunities also contain very high risk, right? Like this one played off, this one paid out, right? This one worked out and people made a lot of money. But I've been part of a lot of other projects that, not part of, but like I've gotten into some other projects, very high risk, and I'm like, all right, let's go. And then I lose money, right? It doesn't work out. It doesn't happen. It doesn't freaking 100x like this thing does, right? It might do 3, 4, 5x. And I'm still expecting a lot higher, and then it just completely collapses or it rug pulls. So it all depends on your risk tolerance in your portfolio. How much risk are you willing to take? How much money are you willing to lose? And if you're not really willing to lose, you're not really willing to take a lot of risk. You have to stay tuned to the higher crypto market caps. Hi, brother. Do you have any Discord server? Yeah, so I have a Discord server, Crypto Wars, with my business partner that we run together from our Crypto Wars YouTube channel. I also have a private Telegram. If you want to join that, the link is in the bio. Go click that, and go check out over here on the tubes, Blockchain Crusader as well. This is my other YouTube channel. We do Crypto Wars. It's called Crypto Wars. We do Trading Wars, which is a trading competition. Jesus. It's a trading competition with the best crypto influencers around, right? Crypto Wars, 11.6 thousand subscribers. We bring the best of the best traders on the show. They trade live and they get eliminated live. It's been a crazy experience. So definitely go check that out as well. But yeah. Blockchain Crusader. Crusading through the blockchain. All right, let's check out Bitcoin here. Come on, Bitcoin. Pump for me, baby. Pump for me. Come on. You keep teasing me. You keep coming up. You keep coming down. Is the Discord free? Yeah, the Discord's free. So is the private Telegram. Everything's free. I don't charge for anything. I don't sell you anything. It's just a community-driven place where people hang out, they talk, they meet other people that are in crypto, they bounce ideas off each other. People share alpha. Hey, I'm looking at this project. Hey, I'm looking at that project. And people are doing trades. Hey, I'm trading this. I'm trading that, kind of stuff. So that's kind of what it is. KNDX is the one that has some potential. What do you think? It looks good. All right, let's take a look at that. KNDX. Have not heard of this project at all. I have no idea what this project is about. Sitting at 12 mil market cap, so this is definitely a low cap, micro cap crypto. Volume only 67,000. Pretty freaking low. It's down 51%. That's not good. Circulating supply is self-reported, only 50%. What is this thing about? So this thing is a virtual design lab for artists and brands. We create Web3 SaaS integration solutions for metaverse NFT projects. Okay, let's check out their website. Web3 design lab and AIP solution architect, 3D asset creative pipelines, USD, NVIDIA, Omniverse. Okay. I mean, I'm not going to say it's bullish. I get it. They're trying to work on metaverse stuff. They're trying to create assets. They're for like Web3 design people. I don't know. I don't know how bullish this could be. Obviously, it falls semi under the sector of of metaverse stuff. But let's check out their Twitter, see what their Twitter's looking like, how much activity they got going on there. Myla says, I bought 200K XGT on pre-sale, sold half at 0.10 and letting the rest ride. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go, Myla. That is a money printing machine right there. Let's freaking go. Their Twitter's not coming up. Okay, there we go. I'm new to crypto. Do you have any tips in cryptos that are gonna increase? That's what I'm saying. Increase. Bridging 3D creative tools with blockchain technology, Web3 design lab, API pipeline architect, USD evangelists. Yeah, I'll give it a follow just to keep up to date with it. But like I said, don't really know. Got to do more research on that. It's not really something that is very enticing to me right now from what I'm seeing. Yeah, man, to all new people in crypto, this is my number one tip. Be patient. Slowly build your portfolio. When I started my crypto journey, my investing journey, I didn't know anything about investing. I had to read the Bitcoin standard. I had to learn about crypto. I had to learn about money. I had to learn about investing. I don't come from an investing background. Nobody in my family is an investor. I am a computer scientist by trade, right? Computer programmer. I didn't know anything about investing. And guess what? I just learned by trial, right? Error and fire and just all in there. I spent 3 years completely underwater. I took out a $16,000 loan and started buying crypto because I initially wanted to start mining Bitcoin. After I read about the Bitcoin standard and I read that book, I wanted to mine Bitcoin, but I was still a student in college. I was living in a one. I was living in a studio. It wasn't even a 1-1. It was a studio. I had nowhere to put the machines. So I said, well, I already got the loan. Might as well just start buying crypto. I started buying crypto, buying Bitcoin, buying Ethereum. I spent 3 years underwater in my portfolio, completely in the negative, paying off the loan and continuing to dollar cost average. Right, my entire family thought I was crazy. They would make fun of me, laugh in my face about what was happening. When the whole fog around the world event happened and crypto dumped even more, I told them, this is it. This is the last dip. Like, bye, bye, bye. They didn't believe me. And then everything took off. And since then, I've never been underwater again. But what I learned was I had to be patient. I had to listen to other people that are not, right? I had to listen to people that are doing the things that I want to achieve, not listen to people that are not doing what I want to achieve, right? I would speak to a lot of people in traditional finance. I would speak to a lot of people just in the worker mentality, right? Work on 9 to 5, save your money, and live paycheck to paycheck, saving money, and that's how you're gonna get rich when you retire, right? Save up your 401k, load that up, and then you'll become rich when you retire and you have $1 million plus. And I was like, I don't want to be 60 something years old or whatever it is, or what right now they just increased the age or whatever, right? I don't want to be 70 years old to have $1 million. What am I gonna do with $1 million at 70 years old? I want to enjoy that money when I'm young. I want to have financial freedom. I want to work for myself. I want to be, provide for myself. I don't want to work a 9 to 5 slave job forever. And I don't want to wait till I'm old to be rich. I want to be rich now, right? So obviously I had that mentality of getting rich now, which didn't work out for me. I had to get past that really quickly and learn that this was going to be a long-term play. So I gave myself 10 years, right? I started off in 2017. I actually gave myself 13 years. I said by 2030, that is my goal to retire. My goal to retire is by 2030. So far, it's looking good. I'm nowhere near rich or financially independent, but I've been building my portfolio. I've been holding on to my crypto, and I've been growing as far as I can. And I've learned that, man, people come and go. Their opinions don't matter. Your research, your knowledge, your conviction, that's what matters. And listen to the people that are doing the things that you want to accomplish. Don't listen to people that have no freaking idea anything about investing, that work 9 to 5 jobs. I speak to plenty of 9 to 5 job slaves every single day. Talk to them about crypto. You can see their eyes glazing over with, the fluoride activating, and they just cannot comprehend or imagine that anything that I'm saying makes any freaking sense. What's happening here with Bitcoin? Oh no, we're melting. We're melting. No. Oh no. We're coming back to this local high here, having a little bit of retest. Hopefully we can bounce off of this and keep going and not just melt right back down. That would definitely freaking suck. On the 1 hour, that's what it's looking like. But hopefully on the 15-minute here, we just have a bounce, and we keep climbing back up. If not, goodbye profits. We're down to $426. Which wallet can you recommend? Yeah, so when it comes to wallets, it's very simple. I mainly keep my stuff on cold storage, right? So I have different cold storage. I have Arculus, I have a Ledger. I'm looking into Keystone. I want to get one of those. So cold storage is best, but if your crypto is not supported on a cold storage device, then definitely go to their native wallets, right? Like Caspa's got their own native wallet. Different cryptos have their own native wallet. I keep stuff on Exodus wallet. I keep things on Exodus wallet is pretty good for staking as well. So I have some stuff on Exodus wallet. I have some stuff on cold storage, and then I have some stuff on MetaMask because I have nowhere else to put it. But be very, very secure about where you keep these wallets, right? I have different devices for different things. I try to keep everything separate and decentralized as much as possible. So if one thing is compromised, not all of my wallets are compromised, and not everything is taken down and I get drained from absolutely everything. So I contain some things on my phone. I contain some things in cold storage devices offline completely. And then I have some stuff on my desktop. I have some stuff on my laptop, right? Things are on different devices, different wallets, so that not only one thing can be compromised. Clay the Great says Rabby, Core, MetaMask. Oh, okay, good. Those are good. Those are good choices. Awesome. What do you think about low cap Sailor? Let me take a look at that. I made 12K with SHIB. I bought SHIB on. Ooh, man, congratulations. Congratulations, Jan. Great freaking pick, man. Dot file going to make big move along with Jasmine and Gala. Yeah, Gala seems to be coming back. I hold a small little bag of Gala. It's looking a little bit bullish right now for sure. Phantom is finally cranking. What is Phantom up to? Let me see. Is Phantom actually going to do something? I mean, I haven't kept up with Phantom because their founders left the project. I don't know who's been developing or doing what on Phantom, but it's up 67%, 61% this week, 89% this month. Let's freaking go. Phantom was a huge gainer in the last bull run. And Phantom basically has the same technology as HBAR for all of the HBAR. Any tips for cryptos to buy right now? I can't give you kind of that information. I can't tell you what to buy. You gotta find out how much risk do you want in your crypto portfolio, right? Whatever crypto you're looking at right now, has it had a massive pump? If it does, you should probably wait for a retracement or buy a small amount, knowing that most likely you're gonna have to dollar cost average down and bring your average down into it. That's another tip, right? But if something pumps 300, 800% in a month, most likely you should wait for a retracement. If not, whatever you're buying there, you're probably buying a local top. And you got to be well aware. No, Bitcoin, why are you dipping? Bitcoin, no, why are you doing this to me? No, my profits were down to 396. Wah, wah, wah. Let's take a look at, somebody was saying a different project, low cap Sailor. Let's see what that is. It's not coming up here. Let's check out deck screener. Sailor Moonwalker, maybe. Sailor Cat. Was that it? I don't know. Guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys watching, every single one of you guys hitting that like button. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe. See AXGT. Let's check out Syncus again. So let's Syncus up too. Let's go. Syncus is still going. Let's check out COQ. Let's see. It's COQ pumping. 201 mil market cap, baby. It's still going. It's still going. There's a lot of other low cap cryptos. Chlor AI is one that I'm bullish on. Alluvium is one that I'm bullish on. Damn, this thing's just freaking sinking now. No. Kryptonite Sailor. Okay, let's take a look at that. Kryptonite Sailor. All right, 17 mil market cap. What does this thing do? Okay, it's on the SEI platform. Okay. What's this thing about? Oh, Kryptonite Finance. Okay. SEI liquid staking. All right, looks good. So Kryptonite Finance is the premier SEI liquid staking platform with integrated money market to earn compounded interest. Nice. This is actually pretty freaking bullish. We were just asking about SEI if they're doing anything, right? Liquid staking, DeFi. This is the kind of stuff that you need to get involved in to make your money work for you, make your money do some stuff. This is actually really freaking cool. Thank you for dropping that, Ricky. Thank you for dropping that. Some alpha right there. Alpha being dropped right there. Let me see. How long have I been live for? I've been live for an hour already. Jeez. Time just flies when you're having fun, huh? My profits are melting. No. Jeez Louise. Come on, Bitcoin. Why you gotta be like that, bro? Why you gotta be like that? You know what I mean? I thought we were friends, bro. I thought we were friends. I thought we were cool. Like, why you gotta treat me like that? Making me look bad in front of my people, right? Very bearish engulfing candle here in the 30-minute. Not very good at all. We got 6 minutes left unless this thing turns it around. It's not looking too bueno for Bitcoin in the short term. In the short term. Sorry about my spelling. No problem, Ricky. Absolutely no problem. Dude. All this spelling is confusing already. So let's see. What else do we got? What else do we got here? Aegis AI. Let's look at that. Let's take a look at that. Let me go over here. Coin market cap. AI. All right, this thing is a micro cap sitting at 7.2 mil. Set 9 cents. Circulating supply self-reported at 8. 80%. Not bad. Let's check out their website, see what this thing's about. Ooh, fancy. Ooh, ah. All right. Transforming blockchain security with the power of AI is redefining blockchain landscape with AI-powered tools. We're committed to security, transparency, and privacy for the good of the ecosystem. Very nice. Let's check out their tokenomics. Total supply, roadmap, module 1, partners. That doesn't tell me anything. The security ecosystem, or using that word. Okay, so it's a security AI project. Bug bounty, penetrating testing, smart contract security. So yeah, Aegis DApp demo. Interesting for sure. Let me tell you, one of the more interesting ones that we've seen today. So that's something to keep an eye on. Very low market cap, right? Like I said, very low market cap, 7.8 mil market cap. High volume, which is good. High volume. Let's see, where is this available at? It's available on Uniswap only. Okay, so it's not on any other deck. It's not on any centralized exchanges. It's only on Uniswap. I'm assuming as it gets more listings, it would probably do a little bit better and pop a little bit more. But this is one that I'm gonna keep an eye on this one. Appreciate that, Nathan. Appreciate that for dropping that alpha, man. Guys, smash those likes. Hit that like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. What is the link to you and Discord? I don't have a the Discord is not linked. This is just the private Telegram. The Discord is over here. You guys can check it out. Crypto Wars Discord. Let me see. I need a link for that. This is the Discord. Come on, Bitcoin pump for me, man. Making me look terrible. We're down at 284, man. Man, oh man, there goes all my profits, bro. There goes all my profits, man. Freaking Bitcoin making me look better in front of people. Hopefully it turns back around. Because it ain't looking too good right now, I can tell you that. It ain't looking too good, man. It ain't looking too good at all. Damn. Massive dip in the market, bro. This thing is just strong resistance. I can tell you that. Strong resistance. Should have taken the $500. Should have taken the five. I don't use Coinbase Wallet. I don't like using anything with centralized exchanges. I don't keep anything on centralized exchanges. Found another one, a Medius new DeSci NAI project. Looks like it just moved on to Polygon. Let's go take a look at that as well. It's called AMI DS new. Okay, let's go to the new one. 3 mil market cap, very low volume, circulating supply 55%, contract on Polygon. Let's check out their website where healthcare meets the future. So it's in the decentralized science, first healthcare metaverse experience. Okay, metaverse as well. Interesting. Data exchange, empowering healthcare ecosystem, Web3 digital healthcare solutions. We are following standards, HIPAA. Okay, interesting. Very low market cap crypto. Could be something. Could be something for sure. It does definitely hold a ton of risk. Okay, yeah. Let me send the link to the Discord. Sorry, I forgot about that. Discord link. Invite people. Copy. Here's the Discord, and then the private Telegram is up above in the chat as well. Okay. Come on, Bitcoin, pump for me, baby, pump for me. Come on, pump for me, man, pump for me. Let's have a pump here before we sign off. I guess not. I'm not gonna make you guys wait here for this pump to happen because they just might never happen. Not looking too good, man. Not looking too good on the 4 hour. Jeez, bro, look at this massive spinning top. Bro, look at this massive spinning top. Jeez. Any thoughts on Brock? What do you think about it? Might be a good one. I haven't looked into Brock. Too new to crypto to know if they are legit. Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's hard to know if they're legit. You got to give it some time sometimes, or you just got to take some risk on it and drop a hundo on it and just see what it does. All platforms, keep up the good work. I appreciate it. Guys, my phone is literally about to die. I'm sitting at like 2% battery. Okay, we're having that pump, baby. We're having that little bit of a pump here before we sign off. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go. I knew it wasn't going to treat me like this in front of everybody. Let's go, Bitcoin. Have that pump, baby. Pump for me. Come on. Come back up. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Back up to the 300. The 300. Let's go. Pump for me, baby. Pump for me. Come on. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Let's go, baby. Guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys. My phone here is about to die. So until next time, make sure you guys hit that subscribe. I update videos. I upload videos every single day. I stream every single day, multiple times throughout the day. I appreciate every single one of you guys watching, hitting that subscribe. Let's freaking go, Bitcoin. Let's see if Bitcoin breaks 64,000 tomorrow. Until next time, see ya.